Hey everyone, welcome to TeamCodingPlaza. Today we are going to discussing about exist class in Oracle. Exist class in Oracle, coming to see that the exist class in Oracle is used to check whether a subquery returns any row. If subquery returns at least one row, the exist condition is considered true, or else it's false. Okay, so let's see the syntax there. Select column into okay. So from table in, which is the main table, and exist, which is the subquery table. Okay. So this scenario will come under that we have to check is any other table matching imports are there or not all. If records are matching, the records only should show. Okay. So any one record is matching, then it will be shown. So here we are having already 2-3 tables. The last videos I have segregated. I am having Play Store on main table is there. Okay. So that I have segregated gaming category. Gaming category and social category, right? So now I want to check that in Play Store table. So all gaming social category record the more properly or not. Just it is there or not from the two labels. Okay. So I will start to write the query. Okay. For this as a syntax, so table T1 is better. So for yes thing I'm giving yes. I go have a base. So it's in subquery, right? So we write the subquery that select here one or column name anything is okay. Run for means it has to return a boolean operator. It's there. Exist move, it should be there. Okay. So where made stir forward it's go we take yes. Give it the mode. App candidate positive. Data thing. Right? Now we'll check. We record only gaming content. Like to see. So where we are querying, that's Play Store table. Already Play Store table already records are there. A lot of records are there. So we have to check the gaming records are more properly or not. So that we are that class verifying with exist condition is there or not. Okay. So let's store query from the forward data address. But when I'm querying with these conditions, so it is showing only gaming category. Right? So like this you can able to take this question. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. That's any doubts and clarification required, please comment section. Like